welcome back to my channel. In today's video we got all this you guys to unbox with you. I'm gonna show you these palettes. These are palettes that I got during the sale last year, 2021 December, you know the drill, and I got them for a really affordable price, and I just want to show them to you how they look new, just in case if you're interested. You can see the colors maybe better, and yeah, that's what I want to be doing, you guys, because I want to get rid of the boxes. I want to start playing with them and show you looks with them. And if you're interested on this look, it'll be linked down below and in the eye right here as well. So let's go ahead and start with this one. This is the Saharan blush volume 2. Here's what that looks like. Very pretty on the packaging, you guys. They kill it. So right here, I'm just going to be grabbing this little plastic. And look how beautiful and stunning it looks, you guys. So pretty. It looks a little intense for me, but I think I'm going to be getting a lot of use out of this one. Like this one could be a bronzer for me. It kind of looks more intense in the camera, in my monitor, but because in my camera I'm pretty sure it looks good. That this looks like a bronzer, and the rest of the colors are really up my alley, you guys. I'm pretty sure I can wear them. I know darker skin tones will be benefiting more from these colors than me, but I know a trick. I know how to use a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way for me, and it does do the job. Actually, I do also, when I apply blushes like that are really pigmented, I use a powder on top to like calm it down, and it does work, you guys. And I really like those colors. So next one coming up is the Saharan blush volume 1. I'll take the little protector out of it, and these colors are meant for someone else, not for me, but I'm pretty sure I can use these as eyeshadows, and also like in my lips. When I want to switch the color of my lips, I tend to use powder on top, and sometimes this could work. And yeah, and also like I've been doing makeup for some other people, and I could really use this for like bronzers and contours and blushes and things like that. So that's a really good one for my collection. So next up is the Chocolates by Juvia's Place. I'm pretty sure I could use this on my eyes and someone else as well, because these shadows are beautiful. The only thing I found that was like confusing was these two colors, because they're almost the same, and I'm pretty sure they will look very alike on the eyes, but I still love the other tones as well. And let me know if you guys want swatches on this. I could show you swatches, but if I include the swatches on this video, it's gonna be forever long. But you let me know, I can just make a video just for the swatches. And this one right here is the Juvias also. Take that protector off. Look at how gorgeous these colors are looking. They're kind of like more on the pinky mauve and purpley side. And I just want to go ahead and swatch this one because it's like so pretty. And it's pigmented as ever. So beautiful. It shifts like blue and lilac. Super stunning. And it has also like a golden sheen in there. Super pretty, you guys. I am so glad I got this. Next up, you guys, and I think I bought this on bundles, so it was like really inexpensive. Next up is Vanessa, which is a neutral palette, but it has some pops in there as well. Like, it's so cute. I am going to be swatching because I just can't wait. Look at those two, you guys. It's so stunning. The reflection on it is crazy. This one is like gold and pink and orangey. So stunning, you guys. I am totally loving it. Next up, the sweet pinks. Looks truly stunning, you guys. I'm gonna swatch because I'm intrigued. Look at those two. Ooh, this sparkle, it's unreal, you guys. I really like it. I'm totally loving it. I can't wait to do a pink eye look, you guys. I haven't done a pink eye look in a long time, so I'm planning to do that very soon, so stay tuned if you want to see colors like that. The next one, you guys, is the violets. Also such a pretty palette. Look at those colors, you guys. It's stunning. I don't know why my monitor is showing more blue, but it is more purple than blue. So, but this color right here does show kind of bluish, but the rest of the colors are very purpley. Let me go ahead and swatch. So pretty, you guys. What a nice shimmer. I love Juvia's Place formula. They make one of the best for the price. Not for the price, they're really good, but it is very affordable. Next one coming up is the bronzed Rustic. Love the packaging that they make. It's so beautiful. Especially this one. It's very pretty. And this has more like bronze and also this corally shade, orangey kind of shade, and this yellow one. It's very nice. It's calling my name to do like a neutral eye with pops of color. Like I could do this on the crease and one of the shimmers on the lid, and then I could put this one on the lower lash and it'll look good. And deepen up the outer V with this one. A dream. Then we have this one right here, and this one is so pretty as well, you guys. It's so pretty. The shimmers are so stunning. So pretty, you guys. It's so nice. Look at that. It's so pretty. You guys, I can't wait to make looks with this palette. I also have the berries. What a nice color story, you guys. I love it. Can't wait to make looks with this. Look at it. It's so pretty. And then I have the blushed rose, which the artwork on this one, it's so pretty as well. And this one looks like this. Let's go ahead and swatch this and this. So pretty, you guys. I love them all. And soon I'm gonna be making videos of all these palettes. Leave me a comment down below, please, if you want to see the swatches in another video, because if I include in this video, it's gonna be a million times a million years of worth of video, so it's gonna take long. But if you do want to see it, I could do just a video with the swatches for you guys. And yeah, I got all this through the holidays, and one of my favorites, you guys, to be honest, I can't decide, but I like the Rustic bronze, so I don't know if I'm gonna start doing videos with this one and following up. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.